Hey. Welcome to the Boogie Down Bronx.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
If you are new here, I usually make videos about travel, fitness, and lifestyle, just anything that's going on in my life. I feel like it's relatable. I'm just the type that I like to learn from experience, so I like to share my experiences so that, you know, you can make an informed decision. So I feel like Black businesses have been up and coming, and I just feel, I don't want to say that it's a new wave, it's a new trend. It's not a trend, it's not a fad. This needs to be our constant reality. However, I feel like it's really not easy to kind of understand, or like, how can you change your mindset into investing your money into a Black business. So I'm going to show you 3 products that can definitely replace your 3 mainstream products, and kind of just easier way into investing in Black businesses. You know, I feel like there's so much pride now, and honestly, like, we're entering a Black renaissance, and there's just a different, like, I don't know, like, I'm like, even like for my 25th birthday, I really spent it spending it on like Black businesses and supporting small businesses. And I just feel like right now is the best time to support your local Black business, to support your local business in general, like any small businesses. Honestly, in this video, I'm going to show you how to, like, you know, I'm going to show you another option for your hair care journey. I'm going to show you another option for removing hair, and I'm going to show you another option for moisturizing. So 3 areas that you can actually convert to a Black business alternative. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so first of all, let me introduce you guys to my plant. Her name is Miguelina, and I've had her for a year and change, and I want to say 2 years actually. And she's an aloe vera plant, and she's been so good to me, so low maintenance, so chill. Like, I just gotta water her for like 1 time a week, and it's just like, we good. Okay, so I mean, I'm a fan. I'm just saying, I'm really, and my cat, like, I'm just really into no maintenance stuff, you feel me? First, I want to talk about, like, if you yourself are a Black business owner and want to be featured on this channel, send me an email so we can coordinate. Let's say if either I purchase a product or you want to send me a product. Obviously I will be reviewing things that I genuinely actually really care about. I'm not about to put like random things in my channel just because it's a Black business. I feel like there needs to be intention. There is always intention behind everything I do. Okay, I just don't, I don't just say and shout out. I'm an influencer. Okay, so my point is to really, it's to influence, but there is always intention behind everything I do. So if I feel like your brand voice aligns with my voice, and my vision, and you know, your mission and vision aligns with my vision, then we can get it on and pop it. Just shoot me an email. My email is in the description box below. Okay, I'm tripping. Okay, so we're gonna start with hair care. Now, I have been a fan of this company for so long. Like, y'all gonna see, like, I have really a lot of things from that company, but the one thing that really caught my attention, like, it's my holy grail, because it really helped with my dandruff. Especially whenever I do protective hairstyles, like, I want to say a week, 2 weeks into my protective hairstyle, my hair would look like if I did, like I had no care in the world. Like, it would look disgusting, like a mess, because of my dandruff. And so this is like an imperative step before I even do any protective style. And the brand that I'm talking about, the name is Mane Crush. And so Mane Crush, obviously owned by this Black beautiful lady. I will have all the information down below. But Mane Crush, it's like, it's a holy grail to me. And she sells anything and everything under the hair care. Well, I'm not gonna say, she sells a lot of things under the hair care, like, umbrella. I think she has a growth elixir. She has a lot of leave-in conditioners. She has a lot of like curling creams, twist out creams, deep conditioners, masks. apple cider vinegar, rinses, oils. Like honestly, like check her out. And I know that there's a lot of businesses obviously that are in Target, Walmart, you know, like Miel, Shea Moisture. Like there are black businesses in the mainstream market, but I feel like, you know, like check out people who are really small business boutique owners. Like really give them also the chance. You know, you don't need to commit. I'm not saying commit. I'm just saying diversify your investment, diversify what you're purchasing. Okay, so honestly right here, this is unopened, but this is the scrub, and it exfoliates, removes buildup, stimulates scalp circulation, unclogs pores, relieves scalp irritation and inflammation. And let me tell you, and let me tell you, like the ingredients, I'm sorry y'all, like she had, honestly, like when she has sales, I scoop everything up. So I'm not lying to you when I say that this is my 3rd tub, and I just ended one, I just threw one away. My 2nd was in rotation, and this is my backup. And honestly, like honestly, she be having a bomb sale, so I just be stocking up. My 2nd favorite item from her is the Detox Shampoo Bar. Especially like if you're a traveler, shampoo bars are in. Okay, shampoo bars are like honestly the best thing created. But like hers, she has a detox version, a regular version, and I think there's another version, I'm not quite sure. But honestly, check her out. And what I was gonna show you guys is, before like I got distracted, this is her ingredient list. That's it. Very simple. Brown sugar, olive oil, honey, her growth elixirs in there, I didn't even know. Lemongrass, like her ingredients are here and you understand what you're reading. And I feel like that's the key difference that I really want to emphasize about black businesses. And you know, we're gonna call it mainstream. For the sake of this video, we're gonna call it mainstream products, okay, that are made, you know, fast made and whatever the case may be. With black businesses, like there's so much care and intention behind it. You understand what you're putting on, and obviously that's gonna be the theme all throughout this video, and I'm heavy on it. You know, you guys know I'm a business owner, so I'm really heavy on, like, if I can achieve the same results, right, support someone's dream. And it's literally, it's a win-win for me either way. Like anything you do with love is a win-win no matter what. So if I'm supporting someone's dream, I'm getting the same results, and I actually understand what I'm putting on my body. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. I'm just looking at it like, like this is a holy grail. I love scrub. It really helped with my dandruff. I'm not gonna lie. It helps so much, and it lasts a really long time. You don't need to do it all the time. But she has a wide variety of things under the sun for hair care, and I absolutely recommend it. One thing that I really do love, the first thing that I ever actually bought from her was this twist and curl icing. Oh my god. Oh my god. It smells amazing, y'all. Like amazing. Like whenever we get to that 4D level and we can share the scents, yo, I'll redo this video because it's so good. Okay, the second business that I'm gonna mention is gonna be my business, right? I'm in the business of body butter, and you guys already know, I've been telling y'all I make my own body butters. Very simple, made with intention, with love. Like y'all, my ingredients are in the back. This is actually my mom's my mom's lotion. I actually ran out of my own. I need to make more. Honestly, I use cocoon butter, cocoa butter, and shea butter with some essential oils. Like I said, my ingredients are here in the back. Pretty simple. It helps with acne prone skin. It helps with irritated skin. You know, let's say you got sunburned or mosquito bites. It helps soothe the irritated skin. It helps heal cracked, dry skin. It's a head to toe butter, so you can use it as a moisturizer for your hair, for your body, for everything. And what I love about it, I have 2 sizes, okay? So this is actually the 8 ounces, but the 4 ounces one that I have is, honestly, it's approved to go on your checked in bag. So if you were to, you know, you're gonna fly out, That's what I love about my butters, is like you don't have to choose between bringing a lot of bulky things. Listen, you can just get the shampoo bar from my girl, okay, at Main Crush, and you can just bring this and you'll be set. Like you wouldn't even have to travel so bulky. But honestly, like this is in the scent Amber, and honestly my nails are don't even talk to me about my nails. Don't even talk to me. But anyway, it's in the scent Amber, and it just melts in, and I'm a fan. I love it. It just smells so good, feels so good. I have several scents. Obviously my website will be linked down below, and you know, I'm not trying to give myself too many screen time, but it's just, I love it. As you can, I did not have lotion on. I'm not gonna lie to you. I do not have lotion on. I went to the gym this morning, showered and whatever, and I've just been working from home. So this is really true, like a true comparison. Not even, like, y'all see that shine, and it's not so greasy. So truly, honestly, a fan, okay? So, all right, so the last thing I'm gonna share with you guys, it will replace your Nair, your Veet, any hair removal chemical ridden thing that you have going on that you can buy from Rite Aid, Walgreens, Walmart, girl and boy. Because honestly my boyfriend actually wants me to use this on him, but anyway, I am a true fan. I used it, and I'm gonna put in the videos, okay? I'm gonna put in my demo video. My first time using it, like honestly, no BS. It is called the Organic Ones, and it's a hair removal mask. Y'all, y'all, this is the truth. First, okay, this is the truth. Second of all, let's review what I said. Why are we buying black? Because we're supporting someone's dream, made with good intentions, okay? Okay, and we know what we're putting onto ourselves, okay? So the ingredients, again, in the back, right here in the bottom, simple, readable. Like, I hope that's a word, okay? Yeah, I already know that my first language is not English, okay? Don't be coming at me, okay? So I really hope it is. But the ingredients are water, turmeric, natural clay, activated charcoal powder, mineral oil, and more. You guys can check her out. I will be having, again, of course, the link in the description box below. Y'all, it says wipe off and go. Sis, y'all, like, I wish I had this when I was in high school, because first of all, let me just begin, like, I shaved my legs, I shaved my armpits. How do I show? Yeah, I don't know how to show you guys. This is not the greatest way to show you guys. Okay, ice cream truck. Listen, what got me to buy this product, actually, the account posted a picture on a business page, and it was a picture of a coochie, right? It was a picture of a yoni. How we want to address that? A yoni. I'm gonna say yoni. It was a picture of someone's yoni, and it was like a before and after. And I'm like, listen, y'all. Like, I'm not a fan of pain. I'm not a fan. Like, if I can avoid it, especially with beauty, okay? Beauty is pain. I don't care. If I can avoid it, I would honestly highly rather not. So I don't do my eyebrows. I'm just honestly blessed with the. I'm on, it's genetics at this point, because I don't do my eyebrows. Why? That is painful. Thank you. And Brazilians, I've done Brazilian wax because, you know, it is rite of passage. It is what it is what we do, whatever the case may be. But I mean, like, no one really wakes up and is like, yes, I want that. That is, you know, it's a self-care thing, but I feel like we forced ourselves to, you know, embrace it, because honestly, there is no other alternative. Well, okay, this is like, it's so. First of all, do a patch test. If you were to buy this, do a patch test. Of course, that's something that you're supposed to do with, like, honestly anything. If you're gonna do anything on your hair, you're supposed to do a patch test. If you didn't know, let me remind you, patch test. So you do one area, you're not gonna do the whole thing and then figure out that it's not for you, okay? But honestly, like, I left this even long on my skin, and the only thing that happened was a tingling sensation. It did not burn me. I bought the kit, which comes with the actual hair mask. It comes with an aftershave oil, which is just coconut oil and lavender. A spatula. It doesn't come with a spatula. I bought the spatula separately because I just figured, like, you know, how else am I really gonna apply it? And it comes with a wipe, a pink like mitten, so that you can wipe it off. Y'all, when I tell you that this is so simple, straight to the point, and actually effective, like, this will replace your Nair. Like, goodbye. Like, that is filled with chemicals, smells horrible. Even after I remember, like, if I were to use, actually I don't use Nair, but I use Veet, and every time after I would use Veet, I would have to, like, rigorously scrub off the after scent. This does not leave a scent. This, after I used, like, sprayed the aftershave oil, I was good to go. Good to go. I was good to go. I highly recommend this. This is so simple. You guys will see the demo. This is so simple, like, so simple. Honestly, like, if, let's say you're a teenager and you don't want to shave your yoni, shaving, really honest, like, it's a common knowledge and we know, but sometimes we just don't have a choice. But we know that shaving really honestly burns and damages your skin, right? You're literally passing a blade several times, and it's not like you're shaving with one blade. Usually your razor has four blades, so you're literally passing 4 blades several times. So one swoop is not just one cut, it's 4 of them. So in the long run, it just makes your areas even darker, right? Shave, like, razor burn, like, we are aware of these things, but it's like, what are the options? And let me tell you, it's a really good alternative to a Brazilian. But honestly, like, you know, do your Brazilian, do what you gotta do. But I really, honestly, this is really good. For like my whole body shave, so I mean, like, I shaved my armpits, like I said, I shaved my armpits, my little private area, and my legs. And this was from the first use. Literally, we're just now actually getting to the rim. So I also, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was a little bit hesitant. I'm like, how am I supposed to shave all of this? And this tub is looking a little bit small, right, compared to the Veet. But let me tell you again, let's remember, okay, let's remember, we're Black businesses. It's made at home, made with love, made with intention. It's different. We cannot have the same expectations that we have been raised with when Amazon can deliver you things in the same day. Listen, it's different, okay? With Black businesses, it's just different. And I hope that, you know, people really understand and give Black businesses a chance. So that's the last product that I have. So I took you guys on a journey on, let's recap, to replace any hair care that you have made by, like, a fast, you know, in the mainstream. Replace your lotion, okay, wink wink, and replace your Nair. And I feel like, honestly, if you can really take away anything, like, forget my business, if you can really take away anything, I am a true honest fan of the organic ones and a true honest fan of Mane Crush. I've been using Mane Crush for, I want to say, 2 years, and organics I just started. I shaved, I want to say, the beginning of the week. My hair hasn't really grown back, and so I'm a fan. I'm a genuine fan. Obviously, all of these have all natural organic ingredients, made, you know, by a Black business owner. Like, come on. But I hope you guys enjoyed my video, okay? If, like I said, if you're a business owner, if you want to showcase your business, showcase your product, just shoot me an email and we can just, you know, start that relationship, start fostering that relationship. In the meantime, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't done so, okay? So you can see more videos like so. And I will see you in my next video, okay? Bye.
What a wonderful